Session Road in Bloom as the pilot of the circular economy. So we'll just show the Honorable Mayor later on what we have done as far as the circular economy is concerned. So compress na lang po tayo, if we could compress. Ayan. Sige, pwede bang hilain yan? Ayan. All right. Okay, so closer, please. Sir Rafi, doon ka sa likod. Yan. Sir Rocky, dito ka sa tabi ni Ma'am Joby. Yan, may space pa yan. Come on. Sige, sir. Dito ka na sa tabi ni Sir Alec. Sierra Madre, dito ka sa tabi ni... Ayaw sa tabi ni Sir Alec. May space dito sa dulo. Yan. Okay. So on my cue, in 3, 2, 1. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, Session Road in Bloom is now officially open. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga officials and dignitaries who have assisted us in inaugurating and formally opening Session Road in Bloom. Thank you very much. Happy panagbaga po sa inyong lahat at magandang umaga po.